Alright, so the last two videos on my channel have been desserts made by using roux afza as one of the main ingredients. And in today's video as well, I'm going to be using the exact same ingredient to make another dessert called Falooda. If you actually look up, Falooda traces back its origin all the way to Persia. But in today's video, I'll be showing how to make an Indian version of this cold dessert, which I absolutely love. So to see how I make this delicious dessert that's actually sumptuous and also, tongue and heart melting, jump on it and let's get rolling. To make this, you will need to prep a few ingredients. First, starting with some jelly that needs to be prepared in advance, for which you will need 2 cups of apple juice. To this, add 3 teaspoons of agar-agar, which is a substitute for gelatin. Mix this all well and wait for it to boil. Once it starts boiling, turn off the stove, pour it into a mold and refrigerate for 2 or 3 hours. Once done, cut the jelly into small square pieces just like you see and set it aside. Next is the rose milk. To a cup of milk, add a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of roux afza and 2 drops of rose essence. Mix it all well and let this chill for an hour. Now on to soaking 2 tablespoons of sabja seeds in a cup of water for 15 minutes. This is how much you will need if you're making it for 2 people, so increase your portions for every ingredient accordingly. Then goes half a cup of vermicelli or Falooda save in a cup of boiling water. I add a little more here. Mix this all well and let it boil once before you turn it off and close the lid for it to cook and become tender. Now to assemble this, first put 2 layers of jelly. Then goes 2 tablespoons of basil seeds, a layer or 2 of the cooked Falooda saves. Then goes the rose milk, half a cup in each. You can make this milk without the roux afza as well if you wish. Then some chopped fruits of your choice. These are optional as well, but I added some mangoes last minute. I love how all these things add textures to the dessert. Now goes a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then another layer of basil seeds. I add about 2 or 3 tablespoons here. Then goes my favorite ingredient, which is half a tablespoon of roux afza on each. Then topping this off with 2 more scoops of ice cream. To make this colorful now, add in some tutti frutti in few different colors. You can also add chopped nuts, which I omitted completely. Finally, the actual cherry on top with a wafer to complete this layered dessert. I hope you all get to enjoy this dessert that's actually disguised as a drink. So do not forget to grab your spoon as well as your straw to enjoy this delicacy. Also, please do share your recreations at Sushma_Hagadur, which is my Instagram handle, so I can see what all you've made. And also comment down below if you have anything to share with me at all. As always, if you're new here, please do take a minute to subscribe to my channel. It definitely means a lot. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, and do not forget to stay safe. Bye-bye.